silencing critics before they ever weigh in. Customer reviews carry a lot of weight, and as Paula Ebben explains tonight, some businesses are using a controversial new tactic to avoid getting any negative feedback online.
As Karina planned her wedding for this summer, she decided to switch photographers.
I just kind of was uncomfortable with their lack of responses and their kind of runaround.
Like many consumers today, Karina went online to warn others of her bad experience. Then she got an email from the photographer saying, "We kindly ask that you remove your posting," noting she could face legal action for breach of contract. Karina didn't realize her contract had this clause: neither party will disparage the other.
I was livid. I was so upset that A, I couldn't review a vendor, B, that you would email me almost threateningly. So I felt like, I think I felt bullied.
Anya Winnica of TheKnot.com is seeing more wedding vendors trying to stop couples from speaking out negatively.
Prohibiting them from giving a review that's less than a 5-star review.
These clauses are now used by contractors, plumbers, and dentists. Even some online merchants are making non-disparagement clauses part of their transactions. Companies are very protective of their online reputation, and for good reason. A Harvard Business School study found that one more star in a Yelp review can increase a company's business by 5 to 10% and vice versa. Attorney Noah Davis is alarmed by the growing use of these clauses and isn't sure how the courts will interpret them.
Don't sign those agreements if they don't allow you to take those clauses out of the contract.
Karina removed her online review to avoid legal headaches, but worries this trend will result in consumers not getting fair warnings.
It's a huge game changer if you really can't speak freely about your experiences with some of these businesses.
At a time when so many want to speak out. Paula Ebben, WBZ News.